should take it slow.
Hey, what's up guys? Doing a Supra update video and an install of the cooling system on the Supra. We got is300 radiator fan, dual electric fan setup for the Supra. Pretty pumped about it. Got a Koya radiator, aluminum radiator, Powerhouse Racing is300 fan shroud, brand new is300 fans, and radiator hoses. And I still have the rubber bushings here, and I have one clamp. I have to order another clamp to clamp the radiator on, but should be good for now. So yeah, without further ado, let's start tearing this stuff apart. Alright guys, here's the is300 radiator fans. I bought the whole shroud with the fans. I'm going to take the fans off and put them on the Powerhouse Racing radiator shroud. And then obviously it's a Koya radiator. So yeah, we'll go ahead and take these fans off, throw them on there, and then bolt the shroud onto the radiator. Alright guys, so let's take this bolt off right here. Fan pops right off. And then you got I already took one out, 3 screws, Phillips head on mine, pop off, and the motor slides right out. There's just a plug for each motor. Really freaking simple. And yeah, then I'm gonna plug them, screw them into the new shroud, see how it lines up. Now you can get just the motors and the fans. You can get them from Lexus. They're stupid expensive. I just went with eBay ones that had good reviews on them, and we'll see how they do. I actually have an is300, so if worse comes to worse, I'll just take my OEM fans off the is300 and put the eBay ones on. My is300, just swap them. But I don't think I'll have to do that. I mean, these look pretty nice. Here's the fans on the shroud. Wow, it came out nice. Everything lined up perfectly, no problems, no clearance issues. Fans both spin nicely. I mean, reused the motor screws that came with it, went right on, and I'm gonna put the shroud onto the radiator. And they Powerhouse Racing actually gives you 4 bolts to put the shroud on. So let's throw that on, get in the car, see how she lines up. Alright guys, shroud is on. I do a little bit of finessing. Not sure if it's because I have an aftermarket radiator too, but I got all the bolts in, shroud's bolted up, and I'm gonna try to put it in the car. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, it looks really good. It's pretty light setup. Everything's aluminum, so it's nice and light. So yeah, pretty happy about that. Gonna go see how she fits. Alright guys, the radiator and the fans went in nicely. I had to modify this hose a little bit. I have to cut this back radiator hose, but those are both on. Just gotta clamp them down. Gotta get a cap, and then I gotta get 2 C clamps. I'm gonna get two nice C clamps to clamp the radiator down, and that should be all set. As far as the wiring is concerned, if this is anything like my is300, I'm pretty sure the radiator plug is on the body harness. So I'll have to do some research on that. So, but I'll figure it out. It's pretty easy. It's just 2 motors, wire them to a switch or thermal switch or something. But let's show you guys from the side. It went in nicely. I mean, the thing looks freaking mint. Very happy with how it came out. And like I said, gonna clamp it down, get some caps for it. Now you can't use this with your stock intake manifold. I obviously have a aftermarket one, so the pipe's gonna go off and go through there. So that's fine. But if you have a stock one, I don't think it'll clear there. So yeah, make sure you're subscribed. Comment with any questions about this kit. It's a fairly new kit. I haven't really seen many YouTube videos on it. And yeah, thanks for watching.